how to add shape in CapCut Mobile in seconds. So if you want to add shape in CapCut Mobile, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your CapCut application. After opening your CapCut, just simply go with a new video, go with add. Now once you've added your video, if you want to add a shape in your CapCut Mobile, then what you need to do is just simply go with add text, which will be on the bottom. Go with add text again. And once you've added your text, you need to just tap on your text and then enter a space. Once done, you need to select the text again, and then you will have the style option. Go with style, go with the style section. Under style, you will have the background option. Tap on background and then go and select any background that you're comfortable with. Like for example, I'll go with the red color. Once done, you need to go with a tick. As you can see that you will have a rectangle. You can also adjust it to square. You can adjust the length if you want to. And that's it. This is how you can add shapes to your CapCut Mobile in seconds. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.